Good morning, students. So today's chapter is average. So I'm going to explain this chapter, average. So before starting this chapter, you just go through this formula. Some formula I have written over there. So first one is average. How do we calculate average? So formula is sum of all the numbers divided by count of numbers. Okay. Now come to next. In your question, sum of all the numbers is given and average is given. So how do we calculate count of numbers? So this is the formula, sum of all the numbers divided by average. So count of numbers you will get. Now come to next. This is the third formula. So we have to calculate sum of all the numbers. So average and count of number is given in your question. So how do we calculate sum of all the numbers? So this is the formula, average into count of numbers. So basically this chapter is based on these formulas. Okay, so come to next. Now I have taken one sum. This is a child's name, Piyush, and he scored, these are the marks of Piyush. He scored in Hindi, English, Math, Social Science and Science in these 5 subjects. Okay. Now we have to calculate average of these marks. So total marks Piyush scored this much. So I have added over there 75 plus 87 plus 94 plus 88 plus 96. So total marks he scored in 5 subjects is 440. Okay. Now we have to calculate average. So how many subjects are there? Total subjects 5. So how do we calculate average? So 440 is the total marks divided by number of subjects 5. So answer is 88. Okay. Now come to next. Question number 2. So like Piyush Soma scored these marks in how many subjects? 5 subjects. Okay. So first we calculate total marks of Soma. You see, Soma scored this much marks. 80 plus 75 plus 92 plus 95 plus 88 is equal to 430. Okay, total marks. Now average we have to calculate. So how many subjects are there? 5 subjects are there. So 430 divided by 5. So her average mark is 986. So this is your answer. Got it? Now come to next question. One more question I have taken. The height of 6 members of the family is recorded as 155 cm, 153 cm, 150 cm, 151 cm, 154 cm and 152 cm, and find the average height. The same thing is there. So total height of 6 members I have taken like that. This is the total height of 6 members of the family. Okay, 155 plus 153 plus 150 plus 151 plus 152 plus 154. So total height is 915. Now total members of the family 6, we know that. Okay, now we put formula, average height we have to calculate. So formula is sum of height of all the members divided by number of members. This is the formula I have put. Okay. Now 915 cm divided by 6. 6 members of the family. So I got the answer 152.5 cm. Got it? Now come